The score is 51. करण खान, इनकी आवाज तो बेशक खूबसूरत है। आवाज में जादू और क्रिकेट में जादू थोड़ा फर्क है, but he can surprise anyone right now, and it's his time against the best Shinwari. On the back foot, played it nicely. There's a fielder back there. Will it be a boundary? No, still no, yeah. And the umpire says it's a no ball, so it's going to be a free hit. It's going to be a free hit because the umpire has declared a no ball. और हमारे पास काफी बड़ा क्राउड जमा है क्योंकि इसके बाद कॉन्सर्ट होने वाला है। ये फाइनल मैच है Uptown Sports Arena, day and night final between two international cricketers, the Yorker specialist Umar Gul and the left arm specialist of bringing the ball in and out, Mr. Shinwari. But right now we can see Shinwari has done a great job for his team. It's a great opening partnership. No wicket has been taken yet. That's a swing and a miss, and umpire hits a wide ball and also a bye. Shinwari जितना जरा स्ट्राइक मेंटेन करेंगे उतना ही नुकसान होगा बॉलिंग साइड को। कैमरामैन को भी कॉन्शियस होना होगा प्लीज, दोनों कैमरामैन को। On the back foot, into the gap, no chance for any fielder. What a shot! What a shot! Shinwari, the super fit, extremely fit Shinwari, with the bat, with the ball. Well done, boy. You are a star, you will be a star, and you were a star. 59 for the loss of no wickets in 3.1 overs. We have 11 balls left in this inning, and a bit of consultation between Kami and Umar Gul. Anyways, चांद भी निकल चुका है और पेशावर का मौसम ठंडा है. I'm enjoying the weather. We just came here to see our international stars and our local stars all the way from Mansehra, Aptabad. And thanks for this great entertainment. I'll forward my special thanks to Kami, Kamil, and my friend Jamshed Bargi. Let's get back to the game. The Ghazal master, Karan Khan, another delivery. Oh, what a catch! What a catch and what a celebration by Afzal Khan. Wow, he's enjoying it. He's enjoying it. Finally, some relief for the bowling side because Usman Shinwari ke liye taaliyan honi chahiye, guys. Come on, please. Usman Shinwari ke liye clapping honi chahiye. He's done a great job. (59) 1 wicket. Shah Faisal, singer versus singer, music versus music. Karan Khan has already caused the damage, but now let's see. Driven straight to the fieldsman, only 1 run taken. Karan Khan के लिए 5,000 का ऐलान हो चुका है, लेकिन जब तक पैसे मेरे जेब में नहीं आएंगे मैं नहीं करूंगा. प्लीज, I'm so sorry. I think आप कामिल के पास जमा कर दीजिए. That's a beamer. Let's see what the umpire has to say. It's a no ball, so it's going to be a free hit. It's going to be a free hit. A lot of drama. So many runs on the board. Good shot, good shot. No chance for Afzal Khan this time because the ball went like a tracer bullet. Shah Faisal के pop singing skills इस वक्त classical singers पे हावी हो रहे हैं. Oh, what a good delivery by A great comeback. Karan Khan said, I'm here, but let's see. There was no free hit. Okay, so this is out. Well bowling. Well done. Well done. Great bowling by Karan Khan. A great comeback. 2 wickets in 1 over. Shinwari and Shah Faisal. थोड़े से एक्सपेंसिव रहे, लेकिन फाइनल मैच है, सबकी प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है, सब रेडी है. और 66 is the score right now for the loss of 2 wickets in 3.5 overs. And the run rate is 17.22. Woo, that's a lot of runs. Good bowling into the block hole, defeated him completely. So 4 hours, 66 runs, and there you go. 5,000 rupees for Karan Khan. Where is Karan Khan? Karan bhai, 10-20 रुपए वहां से करा लीजिए, चारा कर दीजिए. Anwar.